Hello people, we are going to customize these antlers I found at the Dollar Tree. I am hosting a spirit week at my work and I figured this would be a nice little surprise for them on Monday. I went through my craft stash at home that I have in my room here. I got these at the Dollar Tree. I also found some jingle bells, a few little hearts, some Velcro stickers, and even a little touch of nature. It says a little feather. I'm not sure if I will use this, but who knows? Maybe it'll feel a little extra creative. And then I also have like all these floral things that I've collected as well. I might just, you know, put a little leaf on there or something. I don't know, we'll see. So let's get to it. I'm also going to cut out a few vinyl, iron-on vinyls to customize these a little bit more and put like the letter of each name of, my coworkers on these. I think that would be a super extra special touch. So I'm gonna get that ready and then we can move on to the next step. I would recommend plugging in your hot glue gun to get that ready. And then I also have my iron getting ready as well. So when it comes time to press on those letters, I can do that. So let's get to it. I have cut out the letters of each employee using my little vinyl or weeder tool to remove the extra vinyl. And now I'm just going to cut out each one of these, place them on the headband, and iron them on. Let's do it. Show you on mine since we're limited on time, and I started with just gluing the very middle down, and then I'm just going to continue all the way down, but be careful, do not burn yourself. This stuff is no joke. Start the bow, and on the back of this bow, I don't know if you can see, it's like a little wire. This is a little too much to my liking, but what I'm gonna do is take this down like so. Let's see, how am I going to want to put this on there? There she is. Gorgina. Oh my god, she is beautiful. And I think I'm gonna add just a little bit of this guy here to like kind of hang off the side, but we'll see. We'll put it on and see what we like, okay? All right, here we go. All right, what do you think? 100% customized. It's got my initial. Oh my gosh, it's got my initial. See? And then I've got the little, which I haven't actually glued this in yet, so without and with, which I think I'm gonna keep it with, because that was just adorable. And you have it like crawling up the antler. Love it. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and tune in next week. We will be making ornaments. I can't wait. Thank you again. Have a good night.